How to turn off camera in WhatsApp video call. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you turn off camera in a WhatsApp video call. So let's get started. First, as you have to open WhatsApp app. After you open WhatsApp, from there you'll have to just make a video call. For that, open any conversation. After you open any conversation, at the top right, you can simply find a video call icon. Simply you'll have to just tap on that video call icon. Alright, once you are in the video call on WhatsApp, you'll get this kind of interface. Now from here, to turn off the camera on WhatsApp call, you'll have to just tap on the video call icon at the bottom left. Simply tap on that video call icon. After you tap on that, you'll be able to turn off the camera on your video call. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.